Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
They know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
So we're going to be making a trice and peas. Chef, what is a trice and peas? Basically, I'm not going to go shopping until next week, closer to the Christmas. So whatever I have left back in the kitchen, that's what I'm going to use. I have some pigeon peas here. I have some of the small red kidney beans. And I have some of the light red kidney beans. So that is your trice and peas. Trice, that means 3 peas. These are the ultimate moment your granny say use a handmade fashion. So the light kidney beans and the small kidney beans thing. Grabbing ingredients that I can find. No my garlic done, only onion I have, no scallion, no thyme. We're gonna make it work, right? And we're going to the kidney with the pigeon peas. This should be enough. First thing you wanna do, wash your peas. So just rinse them nice, get out all the debris. I use up all the time, make some stew peas yesterday. Right, and I use up all the browning to bake my Christmas cake yesterday. Haven't been out back on the road since. Today is Sunday. I will say I'll make some Sunday dinner, you know? So let us make this trice and peas. If you're new to my channel, you know how I make my authentic rice and peas. So don't think I can make rice and peas and I don't know what to put in there. But remember, this is basically making from all the little ingredients that I can find around the kitchen. You're gonna see how I supplement a lot of things as I go just to make this nice and flavorful. I have to wash it 3 times because trice and peas this name. You see? So I wash it even 3 times, you know. To honor the 3 type of beans or peas. So this is nice and clean. And wash it 3 times. We're gonna pour this off. Get some fresh water on here. So we're gonna cover this up with about 5 or 6 cups of water. A tablespoon of the salt, less than a 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, the ground allspice, because I don't have the berry, right? Give it a little bit of flavor, mix that in. I don't have no fresh garlic, so we're going to go into a little bit of garlic powder, because everything finished out of the fridge, you know, but we still have to bring flavor. Garlic powder in, a little bit of black pepper, some dry thyme. Mix that in, and we're going to set this to boil on medium-high heat. Our peas is going. Beautiful. Our trice and peas. Ooh, that smells good. Once you see the peas start floating to the top, you get some cold water. And you're going to pour it in very hard, not hard enough to splash up, but hard enough to sink the floating peas to the bottom so that they can cook evenly, because when they float like that, they won't cook as even as the ones that are below. So cold water in, just gonna watch as all those peas sink. Right, we call this sinking the peas, and we're just gonna scrape down the sides here to get all that good seasoning off and into the broth. I'm just going to cover that partially. I'm going to allow that to cook for about 30 to 40 minutes or until these peas or beans are nice and tender. Alright, there we go. So the peas grains are nice and cooked. Water reduced, but that's fine. We're gonna add some seasoning to that now. Remember, I'm working with limited ingredients, right? So we're gonna season that up with some all-purpose, about a half tablespoon. We're gonna go in with a tablespoon of butter. We're gonna go in with some coconut cream, the bar. I have no scotch bonnet to put in, so I'm gonna go into a little bit of chili flakes, the red chili flakes. Bring a little bit of flavor to that, about a teaspoon. Last but not least, we have half of a small white onion chopped up and a finger-sized piece of ginger with about 2.5 to 3 cups of water. We're gonna add that now. going to give that a stir again because we don't have all the ingredients that we would want. We have to add some freshness from the ginger, from the onion. So the onion is somewhat replacing that of the green onion or the scallion, right? And we have some dry thyme that we put in earlier. We're going to add a little bit more dry thyme. So that way we have a nice tasting rice and peas, or trice and peas. The coconut cream is here. Allow that to melt and bring that nice coconut flavor to everything. I'll use the chili flakes in replacement of the Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm gonna add a bit more of that dry thyme. Nothing too crazy, about a half teaspoon. Give that a stir. Yeah man, it's looking good. See how that look rich? Try some peas, it's on its way. Alright, while this comes to a boil, I'm just gonna wash about 2 to 3 cups of white long grain rice. Added 3.5 cups of rice, and we're just gonna wash that about 3 times because we're making trice and peas, right? So room temperature water to wash the rice. I'm gonna go right in with our washed rice, and immediately you want to take that off high heat to a medium heat thereabout, so you don't burn the rice and it dries out too fast, because you need these grains to steam up properly. And a thing to note, you realize why added the rice to the center of the pot? That way you know if it's enough. Once it's like an inch above the water, then you're good to go. Another way how you can test that, you're gonna stir the rice into the peas like so. So the trice and peas is on its way. Once everything is leveled, you can get your finger, and once it's like an inch, you're good to go. So that's good. Cover the lid. We're going to allow this to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until there's small bubbles where the water is almost evaporated. So we're going to go in for the rice, see what our trice and peas looks like. Wow, beautiful. So we're just going to remove that piece of ginger. We don't want to bite into this. We're going to fluff that rice. Holy, got that, my friends. Here you go, my friends, the trice and peas that I'm telling you. We have the small red kidney beans, the light red kidney beans, and the pigeon peas all in one. Tastes so good too. I just tried some. Cha-cha. Beautiful. So guys, try some peas, aka rice and peas, and some seeds. About my add tomato and cucumbers because I like it, you know. Up and running. Leave a thumbs up on the video, leave a comment below, and say if you love my vibe, don't forget to hit subscribe. Jano, try it out at home, you won't be disappointed. Once again, thank you very much for watching. You see, until next time, safe travel upon the gravel, and go and big up on yourself.